Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. I'm host 1, and today we have an epic showdown between two grooming powerhouses. On the left, we have the White Klaus Head Shaver 7D upgrade, and on the right, the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body. It's time to find out which one will reign supreme. Let's kick things off with the most important factor for many of us. The price. The White Klaus Head Shaver 7D upgrade comes in at $73, while the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body is priced at $49. Looks like we have a clear winner in terms of affordability. Now, onto the shaving head. The White Klaus Head Shaver 7D upgrade boasts a 7D floating shaving head. With its ergonomic design and 7 cutter heads, it covers a larger shaving area and saves you precious time. Meanwhile, the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body features an innovative 360 blade that flexes in all directions, adjusting to the curves of your face. It's all about constant skin contact and control, baby. Both products have their unique features, but that 7D floating shaving head from White Klaus is pretty impressive. Versatility is key when it comes to grooming tools. The White Klaus Head Shaver 7D upgrade offers a 5-in-1 professional grooming kit, including a head shaver, hair trimmer, nose hair trimmer, cleansing brush, sideburn trimmer, and hair trimmer combs. Talk about a one-stop shop, absolutely, host 1, but don't count out the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body just yet. It comes with 2 blades, one for your face and one for your body. Plus, it has a 5-in-1 stubble comb and a body comb for an even trim. It's like having a personal barber in your bathroom. True, both products offer a range of grooming options, but the White Klaus Head Shaver 7D upgrade takes the crown with its extensive grooming kit. Of a battery life, the eternal struggle of every gadget. The White Klaus Head Shaver 7D upgrade uses a 600 mAh large-capacity battery that provides 60 minutes of working time after just 2 hours of fast charging. Not bad at all. Meanwhile, the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body doesn't disappoint either. Although the exact battery specifications are not mentioned, it's rechargeable and ready to go whenever you need it. It's a close call, but I think we can agree that both products hold their own in the battery life department. Last but not least, let's talk about water resistance. The White Klaus Head Shaver 7D upgrade is IPX6 waterproof, offering you the option for a comfortable dry shave or a refreshing wet shave with shaving foam. Plus, it's easy to clean with the provided small brush. On the other hand, the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body is also designed for wet and dry use, making it a versatile option for your grooming routine. It seems like both products have got you covered, no matter your preference for a dry or wet shave. The White Klaus Head Shaver 7D upgrade and the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body went head-to-head, and while each has its strengths, the choice ultimately depends on your personal grooming needs and budget. Don't forget to let us know in the comments which product you think deserves the crown. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more comparisons and helpful tips on making smarter purchases. Thanks for watching, and remember, at Buy Smart, we've got your back when it comes to buying smart.